G'day guys, Tom Alton here with PomPom Paddock, and I'm going to show you how to use their signature cauliflower flour mix to make one of my favourite dishes, pizza. It's a nutritious alternative to plain flour, packed with magnesium and some hidden veggies in there, but with such a neutral flavour you won't be able to tell. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the cauliflower flour mix with some salt and some baking powder. What this is, it's a cheats pizza, so we're not using yeast, so it's going to be ready to roll and ready to bake straight away. I've got some water and olive oil. Just going to give it a quick knead. So after this dough's come out, I've let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, and it just helps let the cauliflower flour absorb some of the liquid, and you get a really nice soft dough. And I'm going to roll it in between 2 pieces of baking paper, which is just going to help us keep it together and transfer it to the oven. All right, so it's a nice thickness, nice size for a slab pizza. So the first thing we've done is just put down the tomato sauce. It's just a nice thick sugo or ragu, and then we're going to start adding the flavors. So we've got some nice different colored grape tomatoes there, some olives, some basil, and some really nice foie de latte mozzarella, which is a really nice pizza cheese. And then lastly, just a drizzle of olive oil. So what I've got is a preheated tray in a hot 220-degree oven, which is a great temperature to cook pizza in. That's a super delicious PomPom Paddock pizza slab. So that's it guys, we've got a beautiful topping on this pizza and a great quality base packed with so much nutrition with the PomPom Paddock cauliflower mix. So goodness on top and bottom, deliciousness, we're set.